We're here today to talk about a scale model of our solar system. To make sense of it, I brought a scale model of a train here. This is a model of a train. It's reduced from the real size down to something really, really small that we can put in one space that we can make sense of the train. The engine was reduced down to a certain size, and each of the cars were reduced down to a certain size. And what's neat about a train is they also reduce the size, the spacing between each train car to make sense of how far these things are apart. What if we did something like that with the solar system? Let's do it. Let's make a scale model of our solar system. So if this is our sun, and shrunk our sun down to something this size, it's about 36 inches in diameter, how big would the rest of the planets be? Where would they be? Remember the scale train. How far away would Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, where would they be? So how big would it be? How big would a scale model be? And how big? Let's go ahead, let's make a scale model of our solar system. This is our sun in the rotunda of the state capital of Minnesota.
The sun is a mass of incandescent gas, a gigantic nuclear furnace where hydrogen is built into helium at a temperature of millions of degrees. The sun is hot, the sun is not a place where we could live, but here on Earth there'd be no life without the light it gives. We need its light, we need its heat, the sunlight that we see. The sunlight comes from our own sun's atomic energy. The sun is a mass of
39. We're 39 steps from where our sun was in the rotunda of the Capitol. How big is Mercury? That big. Mercury is really, really small. So this is how big the planet Mercury is, and this is how far it is from the sun. So if this was Mercury, it's going to take 88 days to go around the Capitol, around the sun. Only 88 Earth days. Let's go find the next planet. It should be 33 more steps from where we are right now, for Mercury. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30, 31, 32, 33. This is Venus. This is all the smaller or larger Venus would be in our scale model of our solar system. Now, it's 72 meters from the sun. It's going to take 225 days to go from here to go all the way around the Capitol. It's this far from our sun. And it should be Earth. Let's go find it. It's this way. This is Earth. We're 100 meters from the Capitol. This Earth is going to take 365.25 days to go all the way around that sun. It's back in our Capitol. Let's move our way into Mars. It should be further away from our sun, so it should be that way. Let's go. We are now 150 meters away from our sun, back in our Capitol. This is the planet Mars. Planet Mars would be this big in our scale model. And if we were to put time into our scale model, it's going to take about 2 Earth years to make it all the way around our sun. Okay, this is Mars. And if it's going to go in its orbit around our sun, let's follow its orbit. Let's go around the sun.
So this is probably faster
taken us 6 months to get around our sun, which remember is back in the rotunda of the Capitol. This is Mars. The next planet is a gas planet, and it's that way. Let's go down University. Follow me. This is our planet Jupiter. Jupiter's about 520 meters from our sun back in our capital. In our scale model, this is all the bigger Jupiter would be. And it would take about 12 years to go from here all the way around the capital and get back here. How much older would you be? You'd be what, like 24, 28? Wow. That's Jupiter. Let's go on to the next planet. The next planet should be Saturn. Let's go. Let's hop the bus. I think this is the bus to Saturn. At least that's what it said on the website. Is this the bus to Saturn?
So what?
To Saturn? Or at least is it the bus to Farrington?
Yep.
Okay, great. This is Jupiter's right out here at the corner here. We're on our next planet. Next planet is Saturn. It should be just a couple blocks down here, just to Farrington, I think. And this ride is much better than doing this running stuff. So the distances in our scale model are going to be really, really huge. So I think this is a better way to travel. Makes you kind of wonder about space travel. But anyways, let's move our way on to Saturn.
They see me mowing my front lawn. I know they're all thinking I'm so white and nerdy. Think I'm just too white and nerdy. Think I'm just too white and nerdy. Can't you see I'm white and nerdy? Look at me, I'm white and nerdy. I wanna mow it.
Scale models are of a solar system. It's got to be huge. Think of this space between that little planet back there. Well, this next planet. Where's that Marion? We haven't even gotten to Farrington. It's still a couple blocks away yet. You know, traveling fast right now.
Big as a cherry, Stephen Hawking's in my library. My MySpace page is all totally pimped out. Got people begging for my top 8 spaces. Yo, I know pie to 1,000 places. Ain't got no grills, but I still wear braces. I order all of my sandwiches with mayonnaise. I'm a whiz, a minesweeper, I can play for days.